What is although obvious is that coronavirus is not only a public health crisis and problem anymore, but it actually affects every field of human activity, unfortunately, and we actually need to resolve it as early as possible. And it's actually also no surprise that cities and municipalities are the front runners who are basically representing a governance level which is standing closest to people and societies, and therefore in this emergency situation, supporting municipalities and cities in their endeavors to cope with pandemic is actually very important.
We do aware that we live today and right now in a very turbulent time, and so especially these times need to share real expertise how to work, because we aware that these special times give us one awareness that we have to study how to live in such unexpected times, because we can't predict what will be in 1 year, because nobody can say such words 2 years ago or even 1 year ago.
When it comes to the COVID crisis, we deal with stimulus programs, and here that stimulus program is called Next Generation EU, and the recovery and resilience facility that has been created for that purpose will actually invest about 312 billion euros of grants and 360 billion of loans dedicated to an economic stimulus, which wants to help the economies in crisis. But at least 40% of that budget of the Recovery and Resilience Facility will be explicitly dedicated for climate and biodiversity protection.
We have identified important components of the system of education in the cities especially. So first of all, this is like ensuring access to education, digital monitoring of educational facilities, and ensuring access to public transport for children and persons accompanying them. And this was actually a project for like online education.
So I'm here to share our experience about anti-COVID program, what we prepared in Lviv, how we designed it, and what result we have so far. So on the very beginning, the purpose of the program, we knew that we can't stop COVID because it's everywhere, but we can reduce the negative impact and create this pattern how to create the precondition to return as fast as possible to the trajectory of growing in socioeconomic and cultural situation in any fields of city's life.
Maybe one short note without keeping you too long now. We are at the moment with Irakli and our team discussing on how this program will continue next year. All of us are clear that we will and must go beyond the panel, the webinars and the panel discussion, and would like to pull together a little team, maybe some also whoever is interested in from the cities, to see how we can go beyond to make real projects out of it and find also financial sources for these projects. So whoever has a good idea on how it, I'm sure that sounds a little bit naive. Of course, everybody has a lot of ideas, but probably no money for it. But let's see how GIZ could support these ideas which have come up. We are also at the moment trying to filter out which funds are available for COVID worldwide and in the regions and in the countries. So let's see that we can make something out of it next year, which really helps you to get in this situation.